Good morning, children. Today our topic is cardiac cycle. Cardiac cycle. Okay. In previous classes, we have learned about external and internal and parts of the heart. Okay. Now we are going to learn the cardiac cycle. What is the cardiac cycle? Cardiac cycle is nothing but the cardiac events occurs that the beginning of the one heartbeat from the beginning of the heartbeat to the next beginning of the heartbeat This is called a cardiac cycle. What is the cardiac cycle? From the beginning of the heartbeat to the next beginning of the heartbeat is called a cardiac cycle. The cardiac cycle occurs through the three phases. They are atrial systole, and ventricular systole, and last one is the joint diastole. Okay, we have discussed about one by one. First of all, atrial systole. What is the atrial systole? This is the heart. Okay, this is the right atrium, this is the left atrium, this is the right ventricle, this is the left ventricle. Okay, before the atrial systole, the four chambers are relaxation position. Then the blood comes from the vena cava into right atria. Vena cava. Okay, this is the deoxygenated blood. Okay, at the same time, into the left atria also the oxygenated blood comes pulmonary vein. After the blood comes, the atria are relaxed. When started the vibrations at the SAN. SAN. What is the SAN? SAN means here the sinoatrial node. Vibrations started sinoatrial node, the beginning of the action potential. Then the atria are contracted. The blood pumps into the related ventricles through the AV valves. These are the AV valves. Means here tricuspid valve, here bicuspid valve. Okay, these are the AV valves. That is called atrial systole. The atria are involved in contraction. That is the atrial systole. The atrial systole, during the atrial systole is 0.1 seconds. 0.1 second. After the atrial systole, the ventricles filled with blood. This is the CO2 blood. This is the O2 blood. Then after the atrial systole, the ventricles are involved in contraction. Then the ventricles are contracted. Then the AV valves are closed. Then the one sound comes. That is the first sound of the heart. That is love. Okay. The ventricles are involved in contraction. That is called ventricular systole. This is the 0.3 seconds. During of the ventricular systole is 0.3 seconds. Okay. Here, when the ventricles are contracted, then the semilunar valves are open. Okay. The blood flows from the ventricles into the pulmonary artery. Here from the left ventricle, systemic artery. Systemic artery. Okay. Here these valves, AV valves are closed, that is the prevents of the blood backflow. Okay. Prevents of the backflow the blood. Okay. The love sound is comes. The ventricles are contracted, then blood flows the pulmonary area. Okay, that is called atrial systole. After this one, the ventricles are relaxed. Ventricles are relaxation. Then the semilunar valves are closed. Semilunar valves are closed. Then the one sound is comes. That is the dub. This is the second sound of the heart. This is the dub sound. Okay. This is the when after this one the ventricles are relaxed. That is called joint diastole. This is the 0.4 seconds during time. Okay, now understood all of you? This is the cardiac cycle. Okay. Next one topic is there, that is the cardiac output. Cardiac output. What is the cardiac output? Cardiac output. What is cardiac output means the volume of the blood. Volume of the blood pumping by each ventricle. Pumping by each ventricle. Each ventricle for one heartbeat. For one heartbeat. This is called stroke volume. This is called stroke volume. Okay. The volume of the blood. Next one is the volume of the blood. Volume of the blood pumping by. Volume of the blood pumping by heart. Pumping by heart from each ventricle. From each ventricle. Each ventricle. This is called cardiac output. Cardiac output. Okay, understood all of you? What is the cardiac? Volume of the blood pumping by each ventricle for one heartbeat. One heartbeat. That is called stroke volume. The volume of blood pumping by heart from each ventricle per minute. Here, per minute. That is called cardiac output. Here the cardiac output is equal to stroke volume into number of heartbeat. Number of heartbeat per minute. Per minute is equal to stroke volume is equal to 70 ml of blood into number of heartbeats per minute 72 times. Here the total blood is 5040 ml. It is approximately 5 liters of blood pumping per minute in human body. Okay, understood? I hope all are understood. Okay, thank you children.